Ethereum. You've probably heard the name, maybe in the context of cryptocurrency, NFTs, or blockchain. But what actually is Ethereum? To understand it, let's break it down step by step. At its core, Ethereum is a decentralized open-source blockchain system. That means it's a network of computers around the world, working together without a central authority, and it's designed for more than just digital money. Ethereum was proposed in 2013 by a programmer named Vitalik Buterin and went live in 2015. Unlike Bitcoin, which was built mainly as digital cash, Ethereum was built as a platform. Think of it as a giant global computer that anyone can access. On this computer, people can run programs called smart contracts. These are pieces of code that automatically execute when certain conditions are met. Because they're stored on the blockchain, they can't be altered or stopped by a single party. This gives Ethereum the ability to support decentralized applications, often called dApps. These range from financial services to games, digital art markets, and even entire organizations that run on code instead of traditional management. So where does money come in? Ethereum has its own native cryptocurrency called Ether, or ETH. Ether serves two main purposes. First, it's a digital currency you can send and receive, similar to Bitcoin. Second, it's used to pay for computational power on the Ethereum network. Every action on Ethereum, from sending ETH to running a smart contract, requires a fee called gas. Gas fees are paid in Ether and compensate the network's participants for verifying and processing transactions. Ethereum matters because it allows people to build without asking permission. Developers can create financial tools, marketplaces, or new forms of digital ownership that anyone with an internet connection can access. For example, decentralized finance, or DeFi, lets people borrow, lend, and earn interest without banks. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, became a way to represent ownership of digital art and collectibles. All of this was built on Ethereum's foundation. Behind the scenes, Ethereum runs on thousands of independent computers known as nodes. These nodes keep the blockchain secure and in sync. Originally, Ethereum used a system called proof of work, similar to Bitcoin. But in 2022, it transitioned to proof of stake. Instead of using energy-intensive mining, proof of stake relies on validators who lock up, or stake, their Ether to help secure the network and earn rewards. This change drastically reduced Ethereum's energy use and set the stage for future scalability. Of course, Ethereum isn't perfect. Gas fees can be high when the network is busy. Transactions can be slower compared to traditional systems. And competition is growing, with other blockchains offering faster or cheaper alternatives. But Ethereum also has one of the largest developer communities in the world. Upgrades are constantly being developed to make it faster, cheaper, and more secure. Projects like Layer 2 scaling and sharding are designed to increase capacity and reduce costs. So what is Ethereum? It's more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a platform for decentralized innovation, a foundation for new forms of finance, art, and technology, and a constantly evolving experiment in what the internet could become. Whether it will shape the future or be replaced by something new, one thing is clear. Ethereum has already changed how we think about money, ownership, and trust in the digital age.